Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an affiliate links from impact.com that you can actually start promoting and start earning money. And for those who don't know what impact.com is, this is an application on brand partner of an agent that can be helping you to make some affiliation links for different platforms. For example, links for different platforms. So if you don't have an impact.com account where you can start an affiliate marketing business, in today's video I am going to show you specifically how you can actually create your affiliate links that you can start promoting to your audiences. And if you want more information on how to get started with impact.com, I have a video that I am going to link somewhere below here that I went into detail what impact.com is, how you can actually get started, how you can sign in, and how and everything else. I explained so many things about the dashboard and everything you need to know inside impact.com. And if you don't have an impact.com account yet where you can start an affiliate marketing business and find a bunch of affiliate links that you can actually promote and start earning money, I am going to leave you a link down below on my description. Go ahead and click it and get started for free. And so yeah, without wasting so much time, let's jump into today's video. So now I am inside my impact.com account. So once you get in here, so now I am going to show you how you can create your affiliate links that you can start that you can share it with your audience and you can start earning money when they purchase something through the link. So to do that, on your left hand side here, you'll see these signs here which means like links. So click on that, and over here you'll find all the programs, all the affiliate links that you have applied and approved. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to select which one you want. Like for example, I have like a lot of here, so you can pick which one you want. So on this case, I am going to pick this affiliate program, and then to create an affiliate links that you can actually share with your audience and that you can start earning money through the link, is go here and click create. And now you'll see here, these will be your affiliate links that you can actually promote. So what you can do, you can click here, you can copy the link and then paste it on the other page of Google, and this will be the landing page of the program that you applied, but this will be with affiliate links. So when you share this link, which is this one, the one you created on from Impact, when you share it with the audience, your audience will be able to get into this brand, maybe purchase things like that. So when they purchase the services or a product with your affiliate links, you will get a commission on that. So that's how you can pretty much do it. So let me give you a little bit of tour. I know I have covered so many of these on the previous videos that I'm going to link on my on this video too, but let me give you a little bit of tour inside impact.com. Let's start with brands. So when you click here on the brands, you'll be able to find all the brands that you have applied and being approved, where you can find here my brand. You can also find invites here. When you click invite, you find all the invites there, and also when you click proposal here, you'll find all the proposal that other brands has actually proposed to you that they want to work with you. So let's click here on find brands. So this is where you can find all the brands. It doesn't matter on what kind of niche you are. You can click here on the, if you want to see all brands, you can just click here all brands, and you'll find tons, like thousands and thousands of brands that you can actually work with and start earning commission. So what you can do, because this is all like mixed up, what you can do, you can go here on the categories and you can find a category that you actually want to work with. So let's say you're doing clothing and accessories, so click that and you'll be able to find so many different brands that deals with clothing, and you can get affiliate links and you can promote that on your social media. So let's say things with like computer and stuff like that, tech stuff, you can find them all of here. So let's click here on accommodation. And by the way, if you have like many more other brands, you can actually like select as many as you want, and then impact.com will show all of them here. But on this case now, I am just going to put accommodation, and I'm going to show you how this works pretty much. So let's say let's click here. You can see first of all there's like so many of them. So let's click this one. It's Summit. So you can see this. So this is the company, and then where they're actually located and what this company is all about. And then so when you make an online sale using, so when you promote their products and make it sell online, you're going to earn a 40% commission on that. So let's say you made sales of maybe like $8,000, then you're going to earn 40% of that, which is like a lot of money. And another thing, you can pretty much like search the company that you want to work with. On this case, let's try Target. Okay, they don't have Target. Let me take this, all of it. So let's try to search Target here. Target, and this is the Target. So this shows I applied for this brand before, but they rejected my my application. So this is totally okay. Sometimes you can apply to work with the brands and they could pretty much reject it, but don't be discouraged. You can apply again, or you can just find another better brand to work with. So just in case, let's click on it. So I know everyone know what Target is. So this is the name of the company, where it's located. So every time when you make a sale, you're going to earn maybe 1% to 5% on the sale that you make. So maybe like someone used your link and they bought items for like maybe like $100. So you're going to earn either 1% or 5% of it. It just depends on what they actually bought. So that's pretty much it. And to apply, I'm gonna get out from here. Okay, and to apply, for example, this is Target photo. So once you find a brand that you can go ahead and click apply. So over here, you're going to tell the brand a little bit about you, why you want to work with them, how you actually intend to promote their services or their product, and any more other details that you wish. If you want to learn more about this, what to actually write, make sure to watch the video that I'm going to link up here on this video. I went in detail. I showed you how you can actually write here. So you can go ahead and copy and paste my strategy I used here, and you can go ahead and apply. So once you wrote everything, click here, apply, and then the only thing you have to, oh my goodness. Anyways, I didn't want to apply that, but anyways, once you apply, you will see here like your application is in the process. I didn't mean to apply for it. Anyways, I guess we're just gonna leave it like that. So when you apply for an affiliate, you'll find here like, okay, now you have a pending review, and they're going to review your application, and if they want to work with you, they will accept you. And that's when you can go ahead and create affiliate links, just like how I showed here. Or if they don't want to work with you, they'll just reject you, just like how they rejected me here. So over here where it says my brand, you'll be able to find all your brands, and when you go to apply, you'll find all the brands that you have applied, just like this one I just applied right now. And then you'll also find different upcoming changes here inside inside impact.com from different brands, and then you can find your favorite brands if you have them. And then you can also find new brands that actually came into impact.com. So that is pretty much it. And you can play with this with these filters over here. You can find like what kind of asset type you want coupon, blah blah blah, or which area do you want to work with, like where these brands you want them to be located. And there's also like features you can do with the payout model, and then relationship, and then categories. So that is pretty much it. And another thing, if you want to see how much you earn, you'll find it here. And then here you'll find the balance, pending, earning history. You can also see all your invoices and pending actions. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. I have more information from the previous video, so make sure to go check it out. But for this video, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.